Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save posts on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick. First, here shows any post you want, and here we'll find this share icon. Click on it, and here as you see you'll find save. Just click on it like this and it will be saved, and that's it. That's how to save that's how to save posts on your account on Reddit. Easy and quick, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.